been doing a little bit of decorating today since we've had a down day. So we're going to show you some of our decorating that we've done to the outside and definitely to the inside of the truck, as you can tell right now.
We brought a little Christmas into our home away from home.
This is Brock getting the tree ready to go into the truck. We can't go out for Christmas without a tree in the truck. We're going FedEx theme on it.
I have a purple star.
She has a purple star and a purple tree skirt too. It's cute. Show them the tree skirt, honey.
Here's my purple tree skirt.
Isn't that adorable?
It is.
I guess it breaks up all the pink that she buys for the truck.
Hey, I drive. I get to use pink. Ain't that right, baby? Well, we child-proof this, Mason. Mama can't get it open. You probably get it over if I get it out faster than I can.
Sheila getting the wreath ready for the front of the truck.
Ho, ho, ho.
Cassie over there with her squeaker toy. Sheila got her beautiful wreath done. Go in front of the truck. I'm going to put it on here now and see how it looks.
I had a comment on YouTube. Want to know about how we're going to decorate the Christmas because I love Christmas so much. But I think we got that covered. We got a few things that's extra special that we're going to do inside the truck. We haven't got it done yet, so stay tuned and watch. Hey guys, we got the wreath up and going. It's all lit up. We're holly jolly all the way. As you can see, we even got some in the cab of the truck.
There's more to show inside, so come and take a look at what we done on the inside here. This is what we done up front in the driver's part of the cab. Sheila handmade all the bows, and that's what it looks like when it's dark. And as we zoom on around here, this is the back of the cab and the sleeper berth.
Here is our Christmas tree.
This is what it looks like in the light. Of course, those are all handmade bows by Sheila again. It's a wonder what a hammer and nails does in wood. Just joking, Ollie. We used command strips. Those are the best things to use.
We brought a little Christmas into our home away from home.
you enjoyed our decorations. It's a little bit, like Sheila said, it's Christmas from home.
We can't put up our 7.5 foot, so we put up our 2 foot tree.
Yeah, our little 2 foot tree. We also have a upcoming giveaway for Christmas, and Sheila's going to tell you a little about it.
It is the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. It's the 2018 version. It's brand new. We even ordered a case and put on it, and it's of our company that we work for, Exam. And it even has a child's mode on it. So if you want to give it to a child, you can set it for a child, and when they put apps on it, you won't have to worry about when they go to the app store getting into something that they shouldn't be there, because you have complete control over it. Or you can use it for
whatever you want to use it for.
Right. I had one, I used it for books. So you can use it for anything you want. It's got a lot of programs on it, and we just want to get you all involved. So we're giving it away. Please
subscribe and like, and watch for the upcoming video to give this Amazon Fire HD8 away.
We're taking everybody that has a guess on our games that we play when we give the gift cards away. We're putting their names in a drawing, and we're going to draw this on a video and give it away. We will ship it to your home, and we hope you enjoy.
So God bless, and we'll see you next go around here.
Bye.
Bye.